4 simple steps to make your voice sound good in Audacity. 4 simple steps to make your voice sound good in Audacity. Hi guys, welcome to the video. So from that intro you can hear what the voice sounded like before the edits and what it sounds like after. So here we go, let's see how I did it. So what you want to do is open up Audacity and first you can click on the little mic and it lets you monitor your voice to see what it sounds like, just to make sure you're not peaking. So here you can see that there. 4 simple steps to make your voice sound good in Audacity. I recorded it twice so you could see the difference between the two. So it's basically record it and then you start with the edits. 4 simple steps to make your voice sound good in Audacity. 4 simple steps to make your voice sound good in Audacity. The first thing is I'm going to select the one I want to fix, which is the bottom one. So I'm going to go Effects, Bass and Treble. So here you can see the values and I'm clicking Apply. That's based on my voice. It tends to work on, well, I'm using an AKG mic, so it works on this, but adjust that slightly for your preference or your voice. The next one is Amplify, Effects and Amplify, just to give it a bit of a boost because it's a bit low. And then I tend to do Equalization, so it's a bit of a boost in the bass and the treble there, just to make it sound a bit more oomphy. So you can see that happen there. So now I tend to do this last. Many people do it first, but denoising. So you select the little section where there's no voice. When you record it, always leave a gap before you start speaking so you can denoise the background noise. So you'll see there I selected it and then selected Get Noise Profile for that little section, and then selected all of it and then went back to Effects and Denoise. So here you can hear the difference again. 4 simple steps to make your voice sound good in Audacity. 4 simple steps to make your voice sound good in Audacity. So there you have it, a quick 4-step process to make any voice sound better.